Time for a new Switch review. Alright, so this is the Strawberry Milk Tactile Switch from Keycaps. What stood out to me personally was that it's a full nylon housing medium tactile switch. Personally, I'm a tactile person, so I do like a medium to strongish tactile, so I bought it off of that. It's a 67 gram long pole tactile switch by Texi with a medium to heavy P-shaped bump. The bump happens at the start of the press with some post-travel at the end, with an overall travel of 3mm. Oh yeah, and as a bonus, it comes with this really cute packaging if you buy 70 or more from Keycaps. Stock, it is definitely usable. It's pretty smooth and it sounds good once you put it in the board. There's a slight bit of spring noise if you put it right up to your ear, but that goes away once you actually use it in a board. And here's a full typing test for a reference. Stock. Like most Texi switches, the housings are pretty tight, and I don't think that you'll need any switch films, and I highly doubt they'll really give any benefit here. The switch also does sound a bit more full and more my preferred sound profile when lubed. So if the stock switch doesn't suit you, you can try lubing it. And here's a quick comparison between a stock and a lubed switch. Overall, I'm really liking the Switch, and it will stay in my rotation for a while. I could recommend this at 68 cents per Switch if you're into the sound profile, but personally I like it more lubed, so I would suggest lubing it. If you're a linear person, there is a linear version with a linear stem, and with like the exact same specs other than the stem. I would assume that the bottom out and the top out sound relatively similar, though I don't have it in hand to confirm. Anyways, if you liked the review, do the whole YouTube algorithm thing. This review mostly happened due to feedback on my first review of the DK Oni switches. So if you want to see more, definitely leave a comment below, and I'll see you all in the future. Also, let me know if you have any questions. I'm normally good at responding to questions, as I don't really have much to do other than fucking browse YouTube. But yeah, I'll leave you all with a sound test, and I hope you enjoyed.